quantum cryptographic system for protecting digitized data. In today's information environment, where the amount of data is growing uncontrollable, understanding and managing the quality and reliability of information becomes a critical task. The huge flows of data coming from various sources affects all areas of our life, from science and the business to the social sphere and politics. In this context, data digitalization, which consists in converting analog information into a digital format, is a key strategy to ensure effective management of the information flow. In a world, the misinformation can become a serious, careful filtering and verification of data becomes a necessary element to preserve the credibility of a source and avoid the spread of false information. Digitized data acts as a kind of field that helps distinguish information from misinformation, contributing to the creation of an objective and reliable image of the world around us. Let's emphasize the importance of analysis dictionaries, because without them, neither the development of various fields of knowledge nor modern international communication in the most diverse areas is possible. To conduct the research, we chose the Dictionary of Ukrainian Biological Terminology and the lexicon, as they have a rich structure. Then analyze the research objects, certain question and task arise. Among the tasks are the stage of researching and date format and text encoding elements. Building the lexicographic structure of the dictionary and describing the technology of its syntax analysis is undoubtedly an important issue. It is also important to identify the processes that are the least secure and regular service security solution. As a result, we should get a generalized secure system of data digitization. The main aspect of data digitization is the formation of a general technology consisting of certain stage and steps. Research occurs in the incrementally converted text on the website. Basic technology stage: paperbook, structure of the lexicographic system, HTML text marking with XML text according to the structure of its L system, HTML text, conversion of XML text into a database website. If the text is accessible in electronic format from the very beginning, then we work with it. Otherwise, the process of scanning, detailed analysis, and formatting is added. Then the development of a text unit. This is a dictionary article. Construction of the structure and the text stage is the makeup of the main HTML text. This will feature simple or the algorithm of the program that forms the HTML. All further work is based on XML file processing. The example shows the makeup for both dictionaries. The XML documents provide an opportunity of explaining all the structural elements we have defined and the relationship between them. To ensure automatic marking of the dictionary text with XML text, a program has developed and separate the elements of the text structure in accordance with the structure of the L system and HTML make according to the general XML structure of the article which was considered in the previous article. It is possible to show the analysis of the article with an example. In this slide you can see for example of article. The creation of a lexicographic database is based on the processing of the strict and meta-information-rich structure of the input XML file, sequential traversal of all nodes, and of the hierarchical structure of the XML. The representation of dictionary article made is possible to linearly translate them into the form of software object instance of the class of dictionary articles, which are stored in the explicit from in the late DB document type database. Protecting data is a fundamental aspect of modern informational management. In a world where vast amounts of information are stored and processed electronically, the security of this data is becoming critical. Digitized information is not only a key resource for business and organization, but also contain sensitive data such as personal customer information, financial data, medical records, and ads. The use of quantum key distribution QKD protocol is cryptographic is determined by the need to provide a high level of security and resistance in the fields of key exchange and protection of confidential information. Quantum cryptography uses the principle of quantum mechanics to generate and exchange keys, ensuring absolute confidentiality due to the principle of uncertainty of quantum states. QKD protocol include methods of detecting any attacks or interception attempts, making them practically effective in the face of cyber things and the growing interest in quantum computing. This protocol not only provides a response to current cybersecurity challenge, but also take into account the possible development of quantum technicals such as quantum computer, which may use traditional cryptographic methods, and use the QKD also help to ensure security at the physical levels of network, where ensuring that key are unable to attacks became key factors.
The twin field protocols is an important tool in the field of protecting digitized data through the use of quantum cryptography. If important improvements are applied, such as quantum channels multiplexing and quantum identification, significant improvement in the secure of quantum key exchange can be achieved. The total number of quantum states required to multiplex in channels can be calculated by the formula on this slide. You have some implements in the quantum state transmission in the Kyiv quantum channels where channels X. The formula for multiplexing quantum channels on this slide. Here you can see the table 1 for the characteristic of the protection formation process. Digitized data by each very nature helps reduce misinformation through several mechanisms. First, they provide the ability to verify information through metadata such as source and time of creation, which provides the ability to verify each authenticity. However, they can be analyzed with the help of various algorithms and artificial intelligence tools, which allows detecting possible anomalies and changes in information that may indicate disinformation. The main criterion is that digitized data is available to a wide range of users, which use to compliance with a trusted source, contribute to the dissemination of truthful information. In addition, we provide an opportunity to compare data and conduct data analysis to identify inconsistencies and refuse false information facts. The presented stages are universal and can be applied to many types of paper publication because each of them has its own structure. An important process will be to correctly determine the type of publication and build a conceptual models of the L system, after which the technology will be applied. In the nature, it is channels to improve the basic technological states in order the generalize the transformation of text of various types. Also develop XML structure for certain industries and types of data. So this presentation is over. Thank you for your attention, and maybe you have some question for us, and so we can keep some answers for you.